Okay, so we are officially dubbing this hat the hair washing hat, and it's not because it has magical powers to like actually wash my hair, but it's because it's now just going to be the hat that I always put on when my hair desperately needs a wash. But anyway, hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to For My Vanity, and welcome to a super special video, at least for me, because this is my first official sponsored video here on my YouTube channel. I don't even know what to say. Like, I have been looking at sponsored content for a long time. I'm not opposed to doing a sponsored video, obviously, but I've never found the right one to come along and actually like accept terms and we work stuff out and all that. But today we are there. This is my first official sponsored video, and I honestly don't really know what to like or how to act. Like, I feel a little flustered. It's just the usual unboxing video, but I'm just like super excited because this one is sponsored and I'm just so excited. Okay, we get that, Katie. Let's move on. But yeah, today's video is sponsored by KINDER Beauty Box. I'm going to be unboxing their March box, as you guys saw from the title, and I am so excited. They seem like such an awesome company. I'm really excited to work with them on this video. So yeah, I don't really know what type of disclosures I'm going to typically do in my videos other than telling you guys, hey, it's sponsored. I'll have the disclosure in the description box where I usually put my disclosures. But I'm also going to do where if I do have a sponsored video, it'll be like a bonus video from that week. So I am posting this on a Monday, but stay tuned because tomorrow I will have another bonus video up for you guys, just so you still get my usual content along with a little sponsored video. So I hope you guys are okay with that. But anyway, with that intro out of the way, let's just go ahead and dive right into it and see what came in March's box for the KINDER Beauty Box. Before I dive in head first, like I usually do, let's run over some things about KINDER. If you have not heard of them, I am really excited to be bringing this to you guys. KINDER was launched this year in January of 2019, so they're a really new brand. They've only sold January and February. March is their third box that they've ever sent out, and from what I have read, they gave me some information. They sold out of their January and February boxes. At the time of filming this, and I'm filming this on a Friday, their March box, which is what we're gonna unbox, was still available. So I hope it's still available when this video actually does go live. The monthly plan starts at $24, and they guarantee with every box that you get at least $65 worth of products within the box. And this is not exclusively for makeup. This box can have skincare, makeup, or any kind of lifestyle type of product in it. And the people behind KINDER Beauty, the co-founders, wanted to create a beauty box for people who are cruelty-free or people who are going cruelty-free. So if you're someone who is cruelty-free, this is a box, a subscription box you can sign up for and know that every box that you get, everything inside here is going to be cruelty-free. I feel like that is a pretty consistent comment that I get on my BoxyCharm unboxing videos, is people who leave comments saying like, oh, this all looks great, but I'm cruelty-free, so I don't want to have to, you know, get products that I can't use. So here is a box. That's one of the reasons I was really excited to be able to partner with them, and I wanted to partner with them on an unboxing video, is because I wanted to let you guys know that there is a beauty box out there that has all cruelty-free items in the box. Also for shipping inside the United States is free, and if it is international, there is a flat rate of $5.95 per box. But yeah, I think that is about all I wanted to go through. They just seem like a really awesome set of ladies over there at KINDER Beauty Box. They were really great to talk with and kind of set up and, you know, discuss the video that I was going to do. I had a really great experience with them, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what is coming in the KINDER Beauty Box for March. So this is not the first time I am actually unboxing this, because I did try a couple products first because I wanted to be able to bring you guys some sort of first impressions. So keep that in mind. But you get a little box like this. Did I even show you? I'm such a bad unboxer, but this is what the box looks like. It's really nice recyclable material, really pretty but simple, and you open it up and it says a kinder world is a more beautiful world. Then they have a little pamphlet in here, and inside that pamphlet is all the information about all the products you get in your monthly box. So anyway, I'm just gonna reach in and show you guys one at a time what we got. Okay, so first up in the box we have this Botanical steam. It is like dried flower petals. It says on the little info card that this organic botanical steam is a calming mix featuring chamomile flowers, peppermint leaf, hibiscus petals, calendula flowers, corn flowers, and lemon verbena leaf to gently moisturize, remove pollutants, and deeply cleanse and dislodge dirt from pores. Now I was a little confused about like how I would actually use this, but they have instructions on here, and basically you just boil some water and drop like a tablespoon or two of this into the water, kind of let it cool off, and then you just kind of steam your face with these petals. And it smells really nice. Like, it's definitely a smell that I really enjoy. Like, if I would be able to fragrance my whole house and stuff like this, I just think it's so fresh. It smells so natural. Like, it's not, you know, highly, you know, synthetic like a lot of candles are. And I don't know. I just want to leave this open somewhere in my room. But it smells amazing, and I did try this out once last night. I just got this box yesterday. So I tried it out last night after I took my makeup off, and it was a nice experience. I will say, though, that this says to, you know, put your face over the bowl and like lay a towel over it so it can kind of steam up and get into your skin really well. And it says to breathe deeply and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Not gonna lie, I lasted like 7 minutes and then I was just like, okay, I'm bored. I'm kind of done with this. I was even trying to like watch YouTube while I was steaming my face, but I was just kind of like, I'm kind of done hanging out over this bowl, and so that's all I did. So if you have more patience than me, if you have more time than me to kind of sit over there and let the steam really get into your skin, it's probably even a better experience, but I thought it was nice. Did I see anything drastic different? Not really. It just, I mean, my skin looks like my skin, but it definitely felt nice last night, especially after I kind of stood up and just kind of rubbed everything into my face and just relaxed. It was a nice experience. That's all I can tell. Like I said, I've only used it once. But there's a good bit in here, and you know, they said you only need 1 to 2 teaspoons, so I can see this lasting a while. If you're someone who likes to steam your face, this would be an awesome little addition to just steaming it, to put some stuff in the water. I don't know if I mentioned before, but this retails for $22, so a pricey little baby for being dried flowers and whatnot, and basically is just under the value of your entire box. Moving on, we got something from Farmhouse Fresh. It's a coconut cream shea butter hand cream. This retails for $15 and it has 2 fluid ounces. I'm not someone super into hand creams, so I don't know how much I'll get out of this, but my daughter deals with a lot of dry like cuticles and stuff and dry hands, so this is definitely something that I'm gonna encourage her to use. I will say though, it is highly, highly fragrant. Like, I put this on my hands and I could probably smell it for a good 10 to 20 minutes afterwards, after I rubbed it into my hand. It's feels really nice. It feels like a very luxurious type of lotion or hand cream. But like I said, I'm not someone who has a lot of experience with hand creams. I could just tell that it is heavily fragranced. Now, I'm assuming because of this brand, the little bit that I know of, it tends to be really good products, but it is just very strong, and I want to make sure you guys know that if you're someone who's very sensitive to fragrance, I don't see you being able to use this. It does say it's 96% natural, it's gluten-free, phthalate-free. It says phthalate-free scent. I'm assuming that's not scent-free, but maybe phthalates. I'm not really sure what that means, but it says phthalate-free, and under it says scent, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I feel like this is a nice little thing to get, especially with it being March, depending on where you are and how cold it is. You can have really dry hands right now. It's pretty cold here in Virginia. I think it's starting to warm up, but you never know what Virginia tends to change its mind a lot. But that is a nice little something to get in your box, and like I said, $15 worth. Next up, we got a little bath bomb, and this is from the Kind Poppy. I hadn't heard of this brand before, but it's really cute, little packaging. I thought it was sweet. They list all the ingredients on here. It just has baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, organic coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, and essential oils with flower petals in it. So really simple ingredients, and this retails for $6.50. My daughter absolutely loves bath bombs, so I'll probably enjoy this with her. I do want to say that make sure you are checking with your doctor if you have any kind of hesitations with kids, but I have checked with my doctor before and she said a little bit is fine. This is definitely a big little baby right here, so I'll probably break this in half or something. But anyway, I just thought that was a nice little addition, and I'm not someone who takes baths, but like I said, I will still get good use out of this because it will bring my daughter a lot of joy for a couple of baths to watch it fizz. She loves watching it fizz, and it's typically bath bombs just have such a nice smell. Like, they give such a nice smell to the water. And this one is really nice too. On the card it says lavender or rose hibiscus. I'm not really getting a lavender scent, so I guess it's rose hibiscus, but like, I'm never very good at scents, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that was another one of the products in this box. Moving on to a pretty interesting item that we got in this box. That's a little, oh, that was just a little wormy thing that fell out, but it's a little like stack of sticks. I wasn't sure, like when I saw that I was like, okay, what is this? Am I gonna make a little campfire? But this is from SoulMakes. It's Palo Santo Wood Stick Bundle. So the description is, also known as the holy wood, it is said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into the home. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they are certain to delight the senses. I can detect a little bit of scent when I really get up there. Kind of far away, I feel like all I'm smelling is this, but really up close, I do smell something. Now, I'm not going to burn this because that just kind of scares me. I don't know. That just kind of scares me, but I'll stick it somewhere. Maybe I'll stick it around on my makeup table, and that way I'll be relaxed and calmed and delight my senses while I do my makeup. But this was a very interesting addition. I don't really know what to make of it. The value of this is $4.50 though, so it doesn't add a huge value to the box, and it's, I don't know, something cool. If you're into this, that'd be neat. For me, I have actually never heard of this before, so I don't, like I said, don't really know what to make of it, but it'll probably make a really cute little, you know, accessory or something when I'm taking pictures for my Instagram, you know, page. But other than that, I don't know. This was interesting. Okay, next up in the box was this Hansen Beauty the Natural Way Antioxidant Infusion Sheet Mask. They only have one in there, and the retail value for this is not available, so I'm assuming that means you can't just buy one. I don't know. On the card it says not available, so I can't really tell you how much this is worth. But they say it's just an antioxidant sheet mask that contains blends of antioxidants and ingredients that are designed to reduce skin irritations and redness, soothe UVA sun-damaged skin, and to enhance overall skin nourishment and rejuvenation. I tried this out this morning. It says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I do really like that the sheet mask was very thin, so it stuck to my face no problem. The last mask that I can think of that I used recently was the one from Tatcha, and that was very thick, and so I found that it just kept sliding down my face because I put my face mask on and like I do stuff, I don't just lay down. So that was annoying, which this was nice and light. It was still fully saturated with, you know, essence or whatever this is, but it was so light it stuck to my face no problem, and I didn't have to kind of like push it up or anything. So I really did like that. There's only one in here, so I can't really tell you long term, but my skin looked nice. Like I just kind of rubbed it in and then put my moisturizer on top, and I did like how my skin didn't look super oily, but it still looked healthy, if that makes sense. So I thought that was nice. But yeah, this is another addition to the box. Okay, so last up we have something from 100% Pure, which is probably good because I'm getting rain clouds coming in all of a sudden, messing up my lighting. So trying to finish this out before we're in total darkness here. This is the Maracuja Oil Mascara. It's a volumizing black tea, and I got the shade, I got the shade Black Tea. You can also get dark chocolate. But anyway, it's a little mascara from 100% Pure in this cute little packaging. It comes in like these little cardboard tube. It was cute, and then the actual mascara is very pretty. I had high expectations for this. I've only used it one time today in doing my makeup, and I can't say I'm like thrilled about it. I struggled to try to get anything to transfer onto my lower lashes. Now keep in mind, I have very short, little, like almost non-existent lower lashes, so it's hard no matter the mascara to get, you know, stuff on there without getting a mess everywhere. But this, like I kept touching my lashes and running it through, trying not to touch my skin, and I just felt like I wasn't really seeing anything going on. So then I took it on my actual lashes. Now, right now I have a strip of magnetic lashes on. So these aren't my natural lashes, but I took it through, and it does coat your lashes, but it gave no definition and no real length. It just kind of made them stand up a little bit, and it darkened them and defined them. So if you're someone who's into the very natural kind of no makeup, or you hardly wear makeup at all, you just like a little mascara and lipstick or something, this might be for you. But for me, I don't know how much use I'll get out of it. I mean, I'll continue to try it. Maybe it's something that ages and, you know, gets better with age or something, but my first impression, I wasn't crazy about it. This retails for $26, and I forgot this has a scent. It has a really interesting, not repulsive, it's not a bad scent. It tastes like yogurt, like silk yogurt. If you guys don't do dairy, the silk yogurt, oh my gosh, what is that? I think it's soy milk, but they make a yogurt. And anytime I open that can to like feed to my son or eat, it smells like that, which I think smells good. And I didn't mind it when I was putting on my lashes. I caught little whiffs of it. I can't smell it now, so it's nothing that lingers. But as you're applying it on, it was kind of like a nice scent. I didn't mind it. So yeah, $26 is the retail value for this. I can see someone who's more everyday natural, no makeup type of vibes really enjoying this. Alright, so there you have it. That was everything in my March Kinder beauty box. I went ahead and added up the total for all those products that we got, and the total came to $74, not including the sheet mask. Since they didn't give me a retail price for this, I just left it out. So it's $74 plus this little kind of like sample bonus in there. So it's about what they said. I think they said $64, $65 worth. So $74 for a box that you paid $24 is still pretty good if you are going to use these products, or at least get good use out of these products. So yeah, they kind of wrap it up for me personally. I enjoyed the mask. I will enjoy the bath bomb. I will get use out of the hand cream because my daughter does need it, or she will pick her cuticles to death. So I definitely try to keep her body moisturized. So I will use it if it doesn't, you know, the scent doesn't bother her, which usually it doesn't. I will use this occasionally. I will try. I don't usually take that much time to sit over a bowl of steam, but maybe if my skin's being really irritated, this might be something really good to soothe it. So I may get some good use out of this, and then I'm going to try this some more and see what I think. So more than half of the box I am able to either get good use out of, or I will continue trying and see how I like it. So yeah, overall I would say I'm kind of 50-50 on this box. I'm not blown away by everything in the box, but I feel like the stuff that I will get good use out of it and at least be able to use in some way for my lifestyle is worth the price of the box, if that makes sense. But let me know what you think down below. Have you heard of Kinder Beauty Box before? Sorry, that's a mascara clattering around. Have you heard of their subscription service before? Are you interested at all in signing up? Are the products that they include anything you would be interested in? I feel like me, I'm so heavy on the makeup. I was kind of bummed that there was only one makeup item in this box, but who knows what the next month is. I'm pretty sure they got lashes in like last month's box or the month before that, which I was hoping for, but not this month. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm just kind of excited to see a new subscription box on the market, and this one very focused for those people who are cruelty-free or who are maybe more natural with their makeup, more natural with their lifestyle, that type of things. They do give a lot of more unique things that I don't think I will ever see in a BoxyCharm, who knows, but I do like that aspect. It really does kind of target and cater to a more different type of audience than the typical beauty boxes that I've seen, at least. But that's gonna about do it for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed seeing what came in Kinder Beauty's box. We don't have any kind of agreement for future videos. It was just for this video, but I'm very curious to hear how you guys enjoyed seeing this on my channel. Is this something you would like to see more of? Would you like me to continue trying Kinder Beauty Box? But I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much once again to Kinder for sponsoring this video. It was really exciting to work with them, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they continue to grow and what products they continue to put in their beauty box for the rest of this year. I'm excited for a new brand on the market, and I love what they stand behind. A kinder world is a more beautiful world in so many different ways, so I thought that was really cool. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of this video down below. I cannot wait to talk with you guys in the comments, and yeah, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.